Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I post videos about beauty, lifestyle, plus size fashion, planner videos, B&M hauls, Poundland hauls. So if you're interested in those kinds of things, you might consider subscribing to my channel. Now, I love watching grocery store hauls and things that people buy and eat and just to get ideas. So I've never filmed one of these before. Don't know if anyone's going to watch it or if everyone's going to like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up so I can film another one. So I'm going to show you what we bought for the week, and it's my partner and me. And yeah, I'll show you what we bought and what we're thinking of making, some of the meal ideas. I've put away like tomatoes. I got some tomatoes and some frozen goods, but I have some interesting things here and I'm just going to share everything we got. So our shop was from Sainsbury's and I really like eating the beer bourbon barbecue chicken wings. I have these for dinner, or I just have half of them for lunch and then the other half for dinner. These are really nice when you have people over just to share and things like that. They're really delicious, really easy. You just put them in the microwave for about 5 minutes and then that's sorted. We got some cauliflower and cheese frozen because it's faster and I don't know how to make it, so we use it frozen. And then we got 2 packs of eggs because we have pancakes. Do you use eggs in pancakes? We have pancake week and all like that, weekday coming up. So yeah, thought we'd get this. This was a substitute. So we got tomato and herbs Bolognese, which is pasta sauce. We asked for pizza topping, but we got this. Anyway, we're keeping it. This, one of our friends has it, and we became addicted. This is delicious, delicious butter. If you've never tried it, you really should. It's a softer butter. It's Kerrygold's, and it tastes really nice. We have this with like our toast and stuff like that. Really nice. Got a cucumber to make my Greek salad with. I make Greek salad using, I'm Greek, so I use cucumber, tomato and feta, and then I make my salad. I also got this, it's the Super Seeds salad topper. So when you make like a salad with iceberg and carrots and stuff like that, this is really, really nice to have. So put it on top, you sprinkle it on top and just, yeah. I got some easy peelers, which are like mandarins. Now, another quick snack for lunch. We order this all the time. It's the Yorkshire cauliflower soup, and it's got some cheddar in it. It's delicious. We love it. We have this with bake at home bread, which we also got, and we share this tub and share some bake at home bread and a little bit of butter. Really nice. A few cheeky things. We got fruit pastilles. These are really nice, and they're vegan. And we also got some chocolate mini eggs. Mini eggs. I know it's early, but they're really nice, and you know it's nice to have. We got some milk. We got a big tub of milk. Boring stuff. We got some orange Robinson's Real Fruit. What do you call this? We call this in Australia cordial, so I'll call it cordial, but I don't know what it's called in English. Then this is really yummy cheddar. It's Pilgrim's Choice Extra Mature. It tastes really nice. We like grating these on jacket potatoes and things like that. Delicious. Pancake day is this Tuesday, I think. So I wanted to try some ready-made pancakes. My partner's going to make some as well, but I think I like these ones a bit more. Anyway, I'm going to try them. Let's see. I bought some maple syrup from M&S the other day, so that's going to be good. I bought some brown vinegar. This is Saracen's vinegar, because that's what I use when I make my tzatziki. I like to use this kind of vinegar in it, and we ran out. We got a complimentary gift. So this is a hot cross bun, which was a gift. Greek feta. This tastes nice. I'm going to make a spinach pie this week, so I needed my Greek feta to put in my spinach pie. I got some sprinkles for cakes and stuff, and you get all these different kinds of chocolate sprinkles and all. And I sometimes have these with my breakfast as well, just sprinkle on yogurt or something like that. Everyone makes fun of me, but I just love these ones. Rich Tea Biscuits. I think they're delicious. I like having these with my tea, and I don't know why they're so underestimated. What else did we get? We got some white bake at home baguettes. This is what we have when we have our soup for lunch. So we have other soups in the fridge as well. So usually for lunch we have a soup. And we have some bake at home bread. It tastes really nice, and you just cook it. It's ready in 10 minutes. Really nice. And we've been having Seed Sensations 7 Seeds Hovis bread. I love this bread. I just feel it makes you feel fuller. I think it's also good for you. So yeah. Now, in my spinach pie, I'm going to put in some leek. So I got some leek. I'm also going to make potato and leek in the pot. So that's why we have 2, and that's going to be yummy for lunch. I think I filmed it in a video. If I haven't, I might include it in one of my vlogs. For the Spanakopita, I got 2 puff pastries. That's what I'm going to use for the bottom of the pie and the top. Fire. This is the best for tzatziki. We call it fire in Greece. I don't know what you guys call it, but you don't call it fire. And it's total 5. So if you want to make tzatziki, use this. This is the best. Got 2 of those. My friend had this, and we thought we'll have it as well. We'll try it. It's cauliflower rice. I've never had it, but we thought, well, might as well try it. So we're going to try this. We got 2 ready-made meals. I got the British beef casserole with rich red wine and gravy and mixed veg. And my partner got, he loves this one, his spinach ricotta cannelloni. We got some fresh pasta. We got some tomato mozzarella tortellini and fusilli. We always have fusilli with mushroom sauce and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be using. And for a salad, I always get these from Sainsbury. These are cooked beetroot in natural juices. I just cut these up and add vinegar, garlic and olive oil for a nice salad. I heat it up warm. Really nice, really lovely. We also got these wipes, because we use these wipes, especially when we're in the shop and we use hand sanitizer, then we clean our hands with these as well. So yeah, these are most of the things I got. We got some bananas and some tomatoes and a few frozen veg for the freezer. But yeah, that's about it.